Good, eh? Here's another garbage find. The door off a wood stove, cast iron wood stove. Findlay. Pretty nice. It'll take me forever to scrub it up. Okay, scrubbed at it for about an hour. Flash rust on this thing just shows up so quick. The only thing I've used to scrub is that little brush. Looks pretty good. Still some rust and some crevices here and there. I'm gonna pour a little bit of vinegar on it and go at it again. And all in all, not looking too bad. If I don't get all the rust, I don't care. But I'm gonna season it like I do a skillet, and it'll be a nice display piece. Well, there it's in the oven, running for an hour. We'll let that go, and while that is going, I have probably 5 pans in there I'm gonna do today. I got a whole stack here that I haven't even got to, which I still have to soak. This piece here is a javelin. I bought that. The rest there, there's a couple more. That's a Wagner, that's a gate mark. Taiwan, garbage. Oops. Garbage. Gate mark, Wagner. Got a bunch to do, so. Alright, there it is. Just baked for an hour. Still hot. Usually I'd let it sit in there until it was cooled down, but I got some other cast iron I want to do, so looks pretty good. It's hard as hell to scrub them little corners, I tell you, but I like it. Thanks.